Hello fellow clean freaks, Brandon here from Clean That Up. Today we are cleaning a really dirty 2-bedroom apartment. Has a ton of spots. Not sure if they're gonna come out. We're gonna try our hardest. And they really need this one clean because they wanna move in like a day or two. So we're gonna try to rush it, see if we can get it nice and fresh for the new tenant. But I don't know, we'll have to see. I'll show you the carpet now. So as you can see, there's a ton of these little dots here, these little spots. So a lot of times what that is the tenant or the person who lived here last, they spilled something on the carpet, sprayed down a spotter, and then did not flush it out so it gets sticky and then attracted dirt. So we got a lot of those around here. I'm a little worried that they used an oxidizer and didn't flush it out. I'm hoping we don't have color loss, but we will see. As you can see, there's a few over here. Looks like a pet spot maybe right there. Little traffic in the living room, which is pretty normal. Couch probably sat over there. We just finished up the cleaning portion. Now we're going to groom and deodorize the carpet. This carpet cleaned up great. I don't know if you can see, I'll give you a walkthrough in a second. All those spots that we noticed at the beginning, all flushed out really well. So, this is something I wanted to share with you when you're doing spotting in your home and on your carpet, is always flush out the pre-treat or the spotter that you use to clean up an area. What happens is, and we see that in this unit here, is they never flushed out the cleaning agent that they put on the carpet, so the spotter. And what happens is that dries sticky, and then it attracts dirt over time when you vacuum, walk over it, and then that spot starts to reappear, but it's actually the residue left from the soap. So one easy way to fix that is to spray a little water on it after you're done and dab the spot, or flush it out with a little water, or just water in your carpet cleaning machine at home. This will do wonders. It will flush all of that soap out so it doesn't dry sticky. So when you wash your hair, your car, your dishes, when you wash your hair, if you don't rinse all the soap out, it gets very greasy, and you can tell. If you wash your car, it gets spotty, and your dishes, same type of thing. They kind of get those little soap rings on them. So flushing out your carpet is key to make sure that the spots don't reappear over time. So now we're gonna finish up by deodorizing and raking, so let's do it. This is my favorite part. All right, we're done with that unit. Everything cleaned up great. I think they're gonna be super happy. The carpet was older, had a little bit of wear and tear on it. However, definitely all set for the new tenant to move in, so let's head to the next.